Zostrix Cream is a medication used to relieve minor aches and pains in the muscles and joints, such as those caused by arthritis, backache, or sprains. The active ingredient, capsaicin, works by reducing a natural substance in the body that helps transmit pain signals to the brain. It is recommended to apply the cream to the affected area up to 3 to 4 times daily, and it is best to use it at the onset of pain or discomfort for the best results. When using Zostrix Cream, make sure to only apply it to the affected area and rub it in gently. Avoid getting the medication in your eyes, mouth, nostrils, or genitals. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with plenty of water. Also, do not apply the cream to injured or irritated skin, and avoid using it before or after activities like bathing, swimming, or heavy exercise. After applying the cream, remember to wash your hands unless you are treating the hands. Use Zostrix Cream regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. It may take up to 2 months to work, so be patient. If your condition lasts for more than 7 days, gets worse, or keeps coming back, make sure to consult your doctor. Some people may experience warmth, stinging, or burning at the application site. If these effects persist or worsen, contact your doctor or pharmacist. There is a possibility of coughing, sneezing, watery eyes, or throat irritation if you inhale the dried residue from the medication. Be cautious to avoid inhaling the residue. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it means that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Discontinue use and notify your doctor immediately if you experience blistering or swelling at the application site, or if you have increased or unusual pain at the application site. While it is rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Zostrix Cream, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to capsaicin, zocapsaicin, hot peppers, lidocaine, or other local anesthetics. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's best to consult with your pharmacist for more details. If you have any health problems, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Additionally, before having surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are going to have an MRI test, be sure to let the testing personnel know if you are using the patch. Some patches may contain metals that can cause serious burns during an MRI. It's important to ask your doctor whether you will need to remove your patch before the test and apply a new patch afterward, and how to do so properly. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's crucial to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, it is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so consulting with your doctor before breastfeeding is recommended. When using Zostrix Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and to share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Additionally, it's important to note that capsaicin, which is the active ingredient in Zostrix Cream, is very similar to zocapsaicin. Therefore, it's advised not to use medications containing zocapsaicin while using capsaicin. This is to ensure the safe and effective use of Zostrix Cream. It's always best to follow the guidance of your healthcare provider regarding the appropriate use of medications and potential interactions. If you accidentally swallow Zostrix Cream, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency medical assistance right away. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for help. Remember, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention in cases of overdose. Make sure to keep all of your scheduled medical and lab appointments. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to use Zostrix Cream at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications away from children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.